In this video, we will see an example on sinusoids and phasors. Question: if voltage V is equal to 10 cos 100t plus 30 degree is applied to a 50 microfarad capacitor, calculate the current through the capacitor. So, solution: first of all, we will write what is given. So, here the value of voltage is given. V is equal to 10 cos 100t plus 30 degree, and since it is a voltage, so its unit will be volts. Now the value of capacitance is given. So C is equal to 50 microfarad, which is equal to 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. We have to calculate the current through the capacitor. That means we have to find this I. Now if we compare this voltage equation with standard equation, the standard equation is V is equal to Vm cos omega t plus phi, where this Vm is the amplitude or maximum voltage. So here Vm is equal to, here we can see it is 10 volts, omega which is the angular frequency, it is equal to 100 radian per second. So omega is equal to 100 radian per second. Then the value of phi. So phi is equal to 30 degree. Phi is equal to 30 degree. Now currently this equation is in time domain format. So here we can write it is in time domain. So what we will do, we will convert time domain to frequency domain. Time domain to frequency domain. So therefore capital V is equal to, we can write 10 at an angle 30 degree. So it will be 10 at an angle 30 degree, and since it is a voltage, so its unit will be volts. Now for capacitor, we have to solve this we have to find the current through the capacitor. So for capacitor, the voltage and current relation is given by, in frequency domain it is given by V is equal to I divided by j omega c. So from this is the V and I relation, for capacitor in frequency domain. So from this we can say I is equal to j omega c V. Now here this j means 1 at an angle 90 degree into omega. Omega is angular frequency and its value is 100 radian per second. So it is 100 multiplied with C, which is the capacitance, and its value is, here we can see the value of capacitance is 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad multiplied with voltage. The value of voltage here is 10 at an angle 30 degree. So it is 10 at an angle 30 degree. Now if we simplify this, so it will be 1 into 100. So let's solve this in calculator. 1 into 100 into 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10. So it is 0.05 at an angle. Now the angle will be added here because it is in multiplication, so it will be 90 degree plus 30 degree. So 90 degree plus 30 degree, this will be 0.05 at an angle. This will be 120 degree. and since it is current, so its unit will be ampere, and currently it is in frequency domain. Currently it is in frequency domain format. Now we will convert it into time domain. So this will be small I is equal to 0.05 cos the value of omega. The value of omega is 100. So here this will be 100 t plus 120 degree. 120 degree is the value of phi, and since it is current, so its unit will be ampere. Now this answer is in time domain format. So it is in time domain. So this is how we can find current through capacitor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.